Today's yoga practice is all about transformation. Terence McKenna once said, "We are like caterpillars contemplating pupation. No longer will I spend my time roaming under the foliage. Life must be a preparation for a transition to another dimension." So here we are today to transform, to bring change, positive change in our lives. We'll begin from a standing position. I'll meet you there. Let's get flowing. So let's begin at the front of our yoga mats. Feet together, palms forward in Tadasana, standing tall like a mountain. Inhale the hands up to the sky as the float, look up towards the thumbs. Exhale, fold forward. Hands onto the knees, lengthen halfway lift, press the spine long. Exhale, plant the hands, bend the knees, step it back to plank. Drop the knees down, drop the chest. Point the toes and glutes active. Press firm onto the hands and rise into cobra. Inhaling. Hook the toes under. Exhale through tabletop on hands and knees. And then lift into a downward facing dog. The thumbs and index fingers are strong. Spine is long. The heels keep reaching for earth. The hips keep reaching for sky. Bend both knees, look forward, step it to the front of the yoga mat. Hands onto the knees, lengthen halfway lift, inhalation. Exhale, fold, hands together, lift it up to the sky as you rise to your truth. Exhale, hands to the side. We are here to transform. Bring the right leg in front of you. Swing it, step it behind you. Drop the right knee to the ground. We want here the knee to be above the heel. Inhale the hands up to the sky. On the exhale, bend the elbows like in Cactus. Open the chest to the sky. Inhale the hands up. Exhale them, Cactus. Inhale up. Exhale, Cactus. Hands walk down, planted onto the ground. Step both feet back to plank. Drop the knees, drop the chest. Rise up to cobra and glutes active. Inhale. Exhale, downward facing dog. We're going to step the right leg forward. Guide it with the hand if you need to. Drop the left knee down, Anjanayasana. Make sure the right knee is tucked above your ankle. Inhale the hands up high. On the exhale, bend elbows. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale one more. Exhale, open, guide the chest to the sky. Release the hands down to the mat. Step both feet back through plank. Knees touch the ground, chest to the ground, chaturanga. Energize glutes, point toes, inhale, cobra. Chest bright forward. Exhale, downward facing dog. We're going to connect the heels together as one. Lift the right leg to the sky. Swing it and step it to the front. Guide it forward. Then from here, both feet are your foundation, nice and strong, setting foundations and transforming up into standing. Open the hands in front of you, thumbs pointing out to the outside. Inhale the thumbs up behind you, chest opens. On the exhale, guide the hands forward, clap them together. Inhale, open the chest. Exhale, transform it forward. Embracing change, inhale, open. Exhale, clap it forward. Drop the hands to the mat. Step it back to plank. Chaturanga, knees, chest on the ground. Feet together, point the toes. Inhale, cobra. Elbows remain bent. Exhale, downward facing dog. Left leg up the sky. Swing it and guide it to the front of your yoga mat. Rise to your power, to your truth. Hands in front of you, palms up, thumbs out. Inhale, open. Exhale, round it forward. Inhale, open. Exhale, round it forward. Smiling both with heart and face. Inhale, open. Exhale forward. Drop the hands to the ground. Step it back. Knees, chest, chaturanga. Inhale, cobra. Buttocks firm. Exhale, downward facing dog. Drop the knees down. Feet touching. The knees to the width of your yoga mat. Let's embrace all the juices of change. Child's pose. Sit back on your heels. Hands extend forward, forehead to the ground. Allowing the breath to settle. Every possible change in life requires conscious effort, conscious movement in the desired direction. Let's lift up the head from the ground, look out in front of you, pull on the hands to climb up on the knees, and we're gonna barrel roll and rotate the body so we can lay down on our backs. Rotate. Time for Shavasana. Feet open to the width of your mat. Lay down behind you. Hands, heart, left hand, right hand, belly. I want to feel the rhythms of our life internally, feeling the sensations inside, out. And laying here in your space of transformation. Are you a caterpillar or are you a butterfly? Are you in the stage in between? Lay here, surrender, and let nature take its course. Let's bring life back to the lungs, back to the body. Waking up with movements on our feet, on our fingers and hands. Lift the hands over the head. Lengthen. And then release to lay out to the side of the body with the knees bent in embryo pose. Rest the head onto your hands. Blink the eyes open. Press down on the hands and awaken out of your cocoon. Waking up to your new, awakened, energized, determined sense of being. Cross-legged, sitting up tall. Well done on completing day 8 of our practice of our 10 for 10 beginners yoga. This class is for you to transform, to take away from the yoga mat and embrace and translate into your life. Don't forget to subscribe so you can get notified for the next videos coming up soon. From my heart to yours, Namaste.